guys, welcome to my Science Center. This is what we have for us today. The things we are going to be talking about are how does your garden grow? And when you come into our center, the things that you're going to see are an activity where you get to cut these sequin cards apart and place them in the correct order of how a seed would grow. First in the soil, then watered, then begin to sprout, the sun begins to shine, and the plant comes up. One of the other things that we're going to see is we are going to get to see the parts of a plant, and for cross-curricular, we're going to be unscrambling these letters to spell the words correctly for what each portion of the plant is. Also, which will incorporate our writing skills, we're going to need to look through the word box, find the words for the different parts of the flower, and write those in the correct boxes. To incorporate our math skills, we're going to be doing this activity where you're going to read the number that's in the center of the flower, and then you get to paste the flower petals onto the flower. One other thing that we're going to do, which goes along with the science standard, is what things do plants need to grow? So for this activity, you'll be looking at the different pictures here and deciding which of these things is good for a plant for it to survive and which things are not. I personally like donuts, but a plant does not need a donut. One thing that we've done to take our science center to the outdoors is we planted a garden. As a class, we got together in our dirt area outdoors and we planted sunflowers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and potatoes. So one thing that you're going to be doing inside of your science center is you have a My Garden journal where you're going to write about your experiences with planting your garden. For that, we're going to be using the standards of English language arts, using a combination of drawing, dictating, and writing skills to describe a series of related events. We're also going to be using the standards of what a plant needs to survive, which is life science and environmental science. We're going to also be using books in our science center. And for my purposes here, I was not able to acquire the books that I wanted. So what I've done as an alternative is I've created a YouTube channel for our classroom where you will be able to use the class iPad and you will be able to select from a series of books regarding plants and planting and how does a plant grow, along with some just fun children's books about characters that are planting a garden. One other activity that we've done for our center is we created bean baggies. The children were given plastic baggies and cotton and beans, and they were able to put their beans into their baggies so that they could watch those baggies sprout. At the conclusion of being in our center, you will take whatever activities you've completed and you will add them to the completed science work folder. For our assessment, I will meet with the children and discuss with them what they've learned during their time in our center. I will ask them questions to describe to me the different portions of a plant, what each of those areas their purpose is, and the things that a plant needs in order to survive. So guys, that is my science center. I hope that you have a lot of fun when you get to come into it, and I hope that you have a lot of learning as well. Thank you.